Hi, we have reached the end of the course. We have explored many things while we are developing the Discord bot. So also we can have few of the options like you can explore the server settings. So there are many more options in the server settings in the left side. Also, you can have the channel level settings at the next to the general. You can edit the channel level settings, and also at the bottom you have this user level settings. You have many more options which you can explore here. So also, I strongly recommend you to have discord.js library documentation in one of the tab while you are working with the Discord bot. With this, here you have the documentation, which helps us a lot. The examples, you can refer the examples here. Also, you can have the documentation on what all the classes we have, what all the properties, methods you can use as per your business need. So I strongly recommend you to have this tab while you're developing the Discord application. With this, I just want to summarize the things, the topics which we have covered in the course. We have created the Discord bot application, and we have added the bot to the Discord. Also, we have created the server and added the bot to the server. Later on, we have seen the basic commands and how to handle the arguments, how to use the command handler and user info, server info commands as well. And we have seen how to fetch the cryptocurrency exchange rates by using the crypto gecko API, third party library API. And also we have seen how to customize the bot messages, how to send the unique code and the custom emojis. Also how to identify the errors and how to fix the error handling errors in the application. So also we have learned what all the roles and permissions we need to define such that it should not be a repetitive task. We should not give the permissions to each and every user. As I have discussed, we need to define the roles such that you can give these roles to the users. We also discussed these roles and permissions. So with this, I hope you have enjoyed the course, and thanks for taking the course at Zenva. Thank you.